Mock test maths. The first question is the sum of the place values of 6 and 8 in the number 6289. Here 6 is the place value 6000 plus 8 is the place value tens. 6000 plus 80, 6080. The answer is. And next question, the approximation value obtained when 15.75 is multiplied with 2.002. Here approximation value is nothing but nearest value. Here 15.75 multiplied with 2.02. The easy method of doing here after decimal 00 and after 2 is there. Means you have, it is very small number. You can take as a nearest value into 2. After that do the multiplication 157.5 into 2, 0, 15 and 10, sorry 10 and next 3, 3 not 5. 315, sorry, 315. The answer is 315. And next here, third question, which of the following number given remain when it is divisible by 6? Here they are asking if you are divisible by 6, which is given the remainder. Means that meaning is which is not divisible by the 6. Here 30 will divisible by 6 table, 36 also, 42 also. But 55, if you do division by 60, 55 by 6, you will get remainder 1. Means the answer is 55. The answer is 55. Next question. Next question here. Which of the following is shows percentage from 5 by 8? 5 by 8, if you want to convert the percentage, you have to do into 100. Into 100. Then convert to do the cancellation. 2 4s are 50s are 2 2s are 25s are 25 into 25, 125 by 2 means 62.5%. The answer is 62.5%. And next, what is the approximation product of 2.5 and 2.5 and 149.3? 149.3. 149.3. Here 0.93 is nothing but 150. If you do 150 into 2.5, what you will get here? 150, 2.5. 50, 5 5s are 25, 7 into 0, 10, 2 1s are 3. 375 by 0 point, if it means 375. The approximation value is 375. And the nearest values is very important topic for the signing. How many 350 ml volume capacity fill with 7 liters soil? 7 liters. Here ml is there, here liter is there. Here bigger one is 7 liters. Means you have to convert bigger liters into milliliters into 1000. 7000 by 350. 0 cancel, 35, 20. 20 bottles we need. For the any type of measurements calculation, if you are doing that type, the dimension should be equal. Next 14th question, what is the sum of the 13.3, 1.3 and 1. Do the sum. Sum is nothing but do the addition. Do the addition. 1.0333. 333,666, 15.663. The option is 15.6633. And next 15th question here. 15th question here. The perimeter of the rectangle 40. The length is 12. What is the breadth? First you have to perimeter equals to 2 of L plus B equals to 40. This 2 comes to under here. L plus B equals to 40 by 2, that is 20. Length is 12. 12 plus B equals to 20. B equals to 20 minus 12. If this plus 12 comes to here, minus 12. 8. The answer is 8 centimeters because the dimensions are in the centimeter. Here 150 meters will convert into kilometers per. Maybe by meters per second, if you are converting into kilometers per hour, you have to multiply with 18 by 5. And kilometers per hour, if you want to convert, you have to make meters per second by 18. Here meters per second, kilometer means 18 by 5. 5 ones are 30, means 540. The answer is 540. The answer is, how many zeros are put after 1 in a crore? In a crore, how many zeros we have? Here crore is nothing but how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. What is the greatest 5-digit even number? We know the greatest 5-digit number, it is 5 nines, 99,909. But it is not even. Means if you want to convert even, you have to take minus 1. Means 99,998. The answer is 99,998. 1 million equals to dash thousands. 1 million equals to dash thousand. 1 million means how many zeros? 6 zeros. 1000 means 3 zeros. If you cancel 3000, how many thousand? Thousands. Thousand, thousand. And the HCF of 120, 105, 90, 75. HCF is greatest common factor, highest common factor. What is the HCF here? 15. The answer is 15. If you do HCF, you will get the answer 15. And next, the number which is divisible by 9. The divisibility of the 9 is the sum of the numbers. If it is divisible by 9, the answer is it. Then you have to do all the digits of the numbers. Which is the sum of the digits of the sum of the digits? The sum is divisible by 9, then it will be divisible. Means here, suppose 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 8, 20. 23, 23 plus 6, 29. It is not divisible. Then 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 3, 22. It's not divisible. Then 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 4, 27. 27 will come in the 9th table. Means the answer is 27. And next here, the 15th question, it is the simplification sum. If you observe, it is very simplification. As for board mass, you have to do the first bracket. Bracket is 15 divided by 5, 15 divided by 3, 5. As it is, you have to write 5. The bracket and the mid, there is no symbol, means there is no operation. Then you will get the multiplication. Here 20 minus 3 plus 10. These are the plus values. 30 minus 3. The answer is 27. The answer is 27. Next question, the smallest of the natural number. Natural numbers starts from 1. The answer is 1. And next, the examples of even numbers. Even numbers, examples. Even numbers means what? The group of numbers, all even numbers. Means the answer is 2, 10, 100. Here in the options, you have to find the sum of the first 6 odd numbers. You know odd numbers. What is the odd number? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. 6 odd number. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 11, 36, 36. Examples of odd numbers or examples of odd numbers. Here you have to find the group of the odd numbers. If you observe 3, 90, 97 are the group of the odd numbers. 97 are the group of the odd. Next here, prime factors of 620. 620 prime factor, do prime fraction. 2 into 3, 3 tens are 2 table again. 3 ones are 2 ones are 2, and next 5, 5, 155 again 5 table. These are divisible by 5, 3, 15, 1. Means 31 is the prime number. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. The answer is 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Next 28, 21 question here. 375 plus dash plus 141 plus 30 equals to 589. Okay, add all these. Then after you have this, I am keeping x. You have to add all these. 375, 141 plus 30, 6, 14 and 5, 540, 546. 546 plus x equals to 589. This plus goes to that side, it will become subtraction. 589 minus 546. Here 9 minus 6, 3, 43. The answer is 43. And next here, 29th question, x into 10 equals to 450. What is the value of what is the value of x? This into comes to here, it will becomes division. 450 by 10, 10 1, 10, 10 ones are 10, 0, 0 cancel, 45. The answer is 45. Next 23 question here, 550 divided by x equals to 100 minus 45. If you do 100 minus 45, 55. You have to find the x. Interchange this one. You will get the answer. 55 divided by 550 divided by 55. Ones are tens are. The answer is 10. Then next question, 24th question. 470 minus 70 equals to 650 minus dash. 470 minus 70. 470 minus 70, what is the value? 400. Equal 650 minus dash. What will come? It is equals to 250. And 648 is divisible by. You have to apply divisibility rules all. This is the first it is divisible by 1. After that this is divisible by 2. After that it is divisible by 3. After that it is divisible by 4. After that it is divisible by 6. After that it is divisible by what? It is divisible by 9. And next the number, it is divisible by 8 table also, and next it is divisible by 12 also. Here if you observe all the this, the option is 2. Option is 2. And next here 26 question, it is also simplification. First do the bracket. 14 minus 4 into 3 plus 3. 14 minus 12 plus 3. First you have to add positive numbers. 14 plus 3, 17 minus 2, 5. 17 minus 2, 5. And next question here, the sum of the two numbers is 109. One number is 9,900. Another number means if you do sum minus one number, you will get another number. 1111 minus 9,990. 0 means here 0. It will becomes 9. It will becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 0. 10 minus 1, 1010. The answer is 1010. Next question, LCM. LCM equals LCM of the 8, 12, 20. 8, 12, 20. LCM is 8, 12, 20. Here 8, 12, 20 equals to, what is the LCM? 2 4s are 2 6s are 2 10s are. Next 2 2s are 3s are 5s are. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 means 8 5s are 40, 3s are 120. 120 here the smallest 4 digit here they're asking the smallest 4 digit even number. Even number means even number they're asking here. 1. Yes. Here if you observe the smallest 4 digit even number. If you write smallest number 1025 but it is not at all even, then you have to exchange 1052 1052 sorry 1023 1032 means the answer is 1032 is the smallest even number. It is mode mass 4 plus 1 into 3 minus 2, 4 plus 3 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Next also board mass, it is also 2. First you have to do the division. Here division 3, 60 minus 10 plus 3, 50 plus 3, answer is 53. Answer is 50. Here next, sum of the all prime numbers between 1 and 2. The prime numbers is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 only between 1 and 10 means 5 17. And 5 lakh 5,050. You have to write the number 5 lakh 5,050. The answer is this first option. And next here find the sum of the greatest 4 digit and greatest 3 digit. Greatest 4 digit and greatest 3 digit. Add 8, 18, 18, 19, sorry, 19, 10. 10,998. Next here in the number 30746, which digit has the greatest place value? Which digit? 3, because 3 is the 10,000 place. 3 is the 10,000 place. Next question here, what missing digit, missing number. Here 23 into 3, what is the value? 69 plus dash equals to 90. If you convert this, you will get 90 minus 69. Here 120. 21 is the answer. Here minus dash divided by, you will get minus. If you have to know minus divided by plus equals to, you will get plus. Means here 1 is the answer. Means plus 3589 is the answer. Next question here. Anything into, there is nothing. Anything into 0, you will get 0 only. Whatever numbers. Okay. Next 46. Here the product of two numbers gave one number there. If you divide one with one number, you will get another number. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 twos are and 4 six are. 126 is the answer. Next is the 47. Find the 40 question. Find the product of largest 3-digit number and smallest 2-digit number 10. It is 9990. Which of the following number is factor of 550? 550 factor means 5 table, because the last digit, if the 0 or 5, it is a compulsory factor of 5 only. 39 minus 35 minus 58. Add the minus values. 35, 58, what is the value? 3. And next here, 93. 39 minus 93. What you will get here, small minus big is there. Then your answer will be in the minus only. Minus 54. Next, arrange the descending order. If you observe, all the numerators are same. Numerators are same means the denominator should be small to big. Where we have the small to big, smallest is the 18. After that 29, after that 34, after that 38, 54. The answer is this one. And next here minus into minus plus, minus 9 into 4 plus 36, and subtract 1 kilometer 308 meters into 6 kilometers 372 kilometers meters, okay, and 1 kilometer 308, and 6 it will become 12 4 6 0 5 5 kilometers 64 meters here. And next it is the Bodmas only. Here if you see, wait, here, yes, it is the Bodmas only. If you see here, first you have to do the division. 3 into 7 plus 4 minus 2 minus 7 plus 9 into 4 plus 49. 9 into 4 plus 49. After that, we have to do the multiplication. Here 21, here 21 plus 4 minus 2 minus 7 plus 36 plus 49. After that, here plus values, if you do 21 plus 25, 25 plus 36 plus 49, minus values minus 9. If you do all, 25 plus 36, what is the value? 61 plus 49, it is a 10, 110, 110 minus 9, 101. The answer is 101. Next is also, it is simplification only. First you have to do the bracket. Bracket 8 divided by 2 into 4. Do the division. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. Next question here. 40 factors of 150 are. 150 are factors. 150 factors. If you do the 1 into 150, 2 into 75, you have to find like that, 350. These are all, it is in the third option. The multiples of 50 are. 50 multiples, if you found this second option, 100, 200, 300, all will come in the 50. Next here, if you do first, you have to do the bracket only here. Minus 15 plus 4 divided by 2. After that division 2, minus 15 plus 2, it will becomes minus 13. Minus 13. The option is 4. Next, reasoning. In the reasoning, in a certain code, triple is written as SQ triple. Triple is written as SQHOOKD. Then dispose is how we wrote. Dispose you how we will write. Then here, suppose if you observe, you have to find PQRST. Means ST means minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. All are going to minus 1. Here also, before minus 1, C, I before, H, S before, what will come? P, S before, P, Q, R, P before O, C, H, R, O. It is related to first option. In the side, in this wrong is repeal equals to 613382 and life is equals to 8192. Here if you observe, pillar we need to already for all alphabets we have already numbers. I equals to 1, P equals to 3. 3, 1, L for 8, L for 8, E for 2, E for 2, R for 6. 3, 1, 8826. 3, 1, 8826. And next question, it is analogy. The analogy is cup is to coffee as bowl is to dash. Cup is to coffee means we hold coffee in the cup, and bowl is to dish, soup, spoon, food. Spoonful, bowl is to be food. Bowl is to be food or other. Yes. Next is Yes. Next, play is to actor and concert is to musician. Musician only. Play is to actor, concert is to for musician. This is also analogy question. Next one here, analogy, one more question. 15 becomes 120, 22 becomes what? If you observe, 15 into 8, 120. 22 into 8, what will come? 176. Series means 5, 16, 49 and 104. You have to find the relation, what happening. Here, if you observe, 15, 5 into 3 plus 1 and 16. 16 into 3 plus 1, 49. 49 into 3 plus 1, 104. 49 into 16 into 3, 49. Yes. Then 104, 104. After that, what you will get? If you observe here, 40, 16. Here, if you observe, into 3 plus 1 is not work, then you have to go for another method. First you have to into 3 plus 1 like that also, then you have to think it is not possible, then you have to go for another method. Here plus 11 plus 33, 11 table, next plus 55, next plus 77. If you add 104 plus 77, you will get 181. You will get 181. In series, you have to think so many ways. And next here, 32 14 means plus 12. 44 plus 14. 44 plus 40, 58 plus 14. Next 58 plus 74. What is the value? Plus 18. 18 plus, sorry, plus 16. Next plus 18 plus 20 plus 22. 112 plus 22, what is the value? 134. In the next series, 1, 3, 4, 7, 11, 18, 29. If you add first two numbers, you are getting next one. Then like that. 15 means 29 plus 18, what is the value? 47. 47. Next one here, Venn diagram. Husband, wife, family. In the family, husband and wife is the one members. Means the option is B. And next here, find the mirror image. Find the mirror image. For the mirror image, the left goes to right, right goes to left. As per this, here we will get the answer. Here 2. The answer is 2. Next question, 62. Here also it is water image. Water image is equals to top goes to bottom, bottom goes to top. If you observe here, the answer is B. B is the answer. Next, here also find the mirror image. Mirror image means top goes to bottom, means first here 2 you will get like that, means the option is 2 only. Then no need to find all, because in the one option we can easily find. Next here mirror image. Mirror images means here left goes to right. H for K like that, for 6 like that, Y is same and Y is same. Means if you observe, the option is 4. And here it is a mathematical operation. Mathematical operation, first we got the question is like that, but they gave some of the instructions. What here plus goes to into goes to division like that. What is the minus? In the place of minus you will get into. In the place of division you will get plus. In the place of into you will get divided by 8. In the place of plus minus 9. First, as per brackets, you have 60 plus 8, 72 by 8 minus 9. 9 minus 9, it is 0. Mathematical error. And next here, Q is to add, means 26. What is the K? K equals to division 2. Q equals to add 3. J means multiplication 6. P means subtraction 4. Here also you have to apply the Bodmer's rule. 13 plus 18 minus 4. 27 is the answer. 27 is the answer. Next is the incomplete figure. Incomplete means you have to complete. Here this is the this side we are getting. Means in the option if you observe B. And then find the odd man out. Parrot, owl, pigeon, cat. Cat is the answer because all are birds and cat is and next here pick out the odd man out. 824, 368, 137 and 648. For this, first you have to take out the even odd. Here odd is the 137 answer. Next, find the odd man out. Find the odd man out. Here, if you observe, 3, 4 arrows are there, 3 lines, 4 lines are there. 4 lines, 4 arrows. Here, 3 lines, 4 lines, 4 arrows. But here we got arrows, so many. Then the answer is D. The answer is D. Next question. Next question. Here, pointing a photograph of boy, Suresh said, he is the only son of my mother. Suresh said, this is the photograph. He is pointing to, Suresh is saying. What he is saying? He is the son of, the only son of my mother. He is the son of my own. That means Suresh mother, only son. Mother means this only son is Suresh only. Then this boy is the Suresh son. Suresh related to that father. He is related to Suresh, that boy father. And next here also coding and decoding. Same here. Bat equals to here GIV. What is the gate equals to? What is the value? Here Z for 5, A for 2, T for 4, E for 7. 5247. 5247 means C is the answer. Next question here. In a certain language, triple equals to pillar. Same question it's repeated. Here 3188. And alphabetical order, which will come alphabetical order. Jewelry. First letters up to here same. Up to here means jingle will come first. Fourth option alphabetical. Jingle will come last. In the jewel, what you will get first? Jewel up to here L is there, L is there. Means jewel will come after. After that, here E will come 2. After that, 3. The option is 1, 2, 3, 4. Alphabetical. Last question here. Alphabetical order. Breeze, breezy. BRE for all same. After that, you have to E is there, A is there, A is there, A. Here 3 letters having A. After that, you have to TH means first will come 3, after that 2, after that 4. In the breezy, you will get first 1, after that 5. 3, 2, 4, 1, 5. The answer is this.